Hey there, I'm Alex from WTI. Saving money is a great goal, but the word fun isn't always used when you're actually trying to save that money. Well, I've found an actually fun and motivating way to save money. It's a different take on the 100 envelope challenge, which has been quite popular. This savings product from Three-Way Cut has added an element of surprise and, dare I say, excitement to saving $5,050. So just to quickly explain the challenge, normally there's 100 envelopes and they've already been labeled from 1 to 100. And your goal is to fill the envelopes with the amount that's on the envelope. Believe it or not, by the time you fill all 100 envelopes, you will have saved $5,050. Three-Way Cut has designed a lovely, visually appealing spin to this challenge by adding scratch-off stickers. What I like about it is that they've created a system that ensures you're not going to have all large or all small numbers consistently in a row. It goes by their color codes. It's extremely well organized, and I love the act of placing my money in an envelope and then putting it in the safety box. It's such a satisfying feeling, and it makes me want to keep saving, which I really, really appreciate. Sure, the binders are efficient too, but this whole system that Three-Way Cut has created has genuinely made me want to keep going and keep saving. And how hard is that to just keep motivated, right? And I just can't wait for all 100 of my envelopes to be filled. What are you going to save for? I'm Alex, and that's my point of view.